In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can get a free SSL for our website. So if you want to take the first step of security for your website, then this video is for you. Now, SSL certificate is something that these days you should get free of cost from your hosting service provider. Now, in case that your hosting provider is not giving a free SSL or is just giving the SSL certificate for your primary domain and you want to add more domains to that shared hosting server, so in that case, there are other ways by which you can get a free SSL certificate for your website. And that's what we are going to cover in this video. So let's dive in our computer screen and see how we can get the free SSL certificate for our website. So here we have just registered a domain for this example, and as we can see that on the very top it says not secure. It means that we don't have SSL certificate installed on this as of now. So in order to get our SSL certificate for free of cost, we are going to use the service from Cloudflare. And for that, we need to do some changes in the name server of this domain. Right now, this domain is hosted on Hostinger. So we are going to take example of this hosting server. So most of the things remains the same no matter what hosting provider you are using. So let's go ahead and start by adding the name servers. So the first we need to go to Cloudflare account, and here we need to add this website. So make sure you are already registered with Cloudflare free account. So here you will find add a site option. Let's click on this and let's type in the name of our domain and then click on add site. Now here we need to choose their plans, but we are going to choose only the free one. So let's click on get started with free. And now it's going to scan for the DNS records or for the name server records. And if it is not matching with Cloudflare, it's going to ask us to add the name servers. So here we can see it pulled up all the records from our Hostinger account. And now we just need to click on continue. And here it's asking us to update the name servers. And this domain is not booked by Hostinger. It's actually booked from Namecheap. So we need to go to Namecheap account and then update these name servers. So here in our Namecheap account, we need to go to name servers option. And here we need to enter the name server from Cloudflare. So we just go ahead and copy these name servers from here. And then we will paste it here. After this, we just need to click on this check here to save these name servers. Now this is going to take a few minutes to get updated. So once that is done, we just need to click on done check name servers. And now it's going to take a few minutes, and do not do anything until and unless you see a green check mark on top here, because that's the sign that your name server has been updated successfully. So wait for some time and let that green check mark appear, which means that every setting has been done perfectly fine. And then we can move on to the next step. Alright, so it took us around 5 minutes, and here we see the green check mark and it says great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So now we can go ahead and do rest of the settings. So we click on review settings and let's go to recommended. And let's click on enable always use HTTPS. And after that, let's go to SSL option here. And as of now, it says flexible. It means that from browser to Cloudflare, our connection is completely secured with SSL certificate, but it's not fully secured from Cloudflare to the origin server. So we need to do that as well. And for that, we need to click on full. And after this, we are going to click on origin server. And here we need to click on create certificate, and we will leave it all the things as it is. And here you can see that this certificate is valid for 15 years. And that's a pretty long time. Let's click on create. And here we have the information about our certificate that we need to copy from here and then paste it in our hosting account. So we copy this origin certificate from here and then go to our Hostinger account. And here we need to look for SSL. So let's click on this SSL option here. And on the top, we have import SSL option. So let's click here. And here we need to enter all the details that we just got from the Cloudflare. So first we are going to copy the first information, that is the certificate. And then we are going to copy the private key. Let's paste it here. And in the end, we also need to add certificate authority bundle. Now this information is available on the Cloudflare website itself, not here. We will leave a link for that in the description below. You can go ahead and copy the code from there. So you can go ahead and check the link in the video description for more details. And I just go ahead and enter the bundle information here. And then click on install SSL. And here it says your SSL certificate is successfully installed. Now if we go back here, let's click on OK. And now if we come back here on overview of SSL, we can see that our complete connection is SSL certified. Now this might take a few minutes to update on our website. So now let's come back here on our domain. Let's refresh it. And now we can see this lock sign, which means that we now have a SSL certificate installed on this domain. So this is how easy it is to get a free SSL certificate for your website. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.